2019 Cadillac XT4. With less than 67,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, power driver seat, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.